Hey, how's it going? I'm Nic Ashby, and today I'm here to talk to you about ODYSSEY batteries and the partnership that's been going on. Happy 25th anniversary to ODYSSEY batteries. Every build we've done in the last decade has been ODYSSEY, but the ones that really stick out are obviously Gridlock, which is my rig. The second one would probably be the Cyberpunk Mustang we just wrapped up. Before I was heavy into the off-road, I was in the car industry, more doing imports and muscle builds. And I was having an issue with, large stereo systems, and I just wanted something clean that would handle everything, let me take it all the way down, bring it all the way back type stuff. And that's kind of where I started getting into ODYSSEY. We do a lot of off-road stuff now. So ODYSSEY utilizes AGM style batteries. It doesn't have all the fluids and stuff in it that normal batteries are gonna have. And if you lay that thing over on its side or upside down, you'd want one of those batteries in your vehicle versus like your old style typical battery you're usually gonna find. They have great cranking amps, they have great power reserves, and again, because they're that AGM, you can kind of take them all the way down and bring them all the way back without hurting the battery. We have an awesome influencer garage that's getting ready to launch in May. ODYSSEY batteries will be a part of that as always. We have some awesome builds getting ready to come up. So when you're taking a $250,000 build and you're shoving these batteries in them the way we are, you're doing it because that battery is going to be in a spot that's not easy to get to. We know that with the reliability of ODYSSEY batteries, we don't have to get to that battery anytime soon, so we'll be good there. Big thanks to ODYSSEY batteries and everything they've done for us. Again, happy 25th anniversary. Here's 25 more.